So, first things first, how did you guys meet?
Well, we met on ChristianMingle.com, and at first he put himself as a holy man, but he was actually the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, but I was totally fine with that.
Where do you guys see yourself together in 5 years?
I see us settling down with like at least 5 kids, name one Cheney, another one Massacre, another one Franklin, Bob, and then if we have a girl, I'll name her Clarinet.
What's his favorite TV show?
Oh, it's American Horror Story. That's his favorite TV show. He reminds me sort of like the clown, but he gets a bit jealous.
What's his favorite hobby?
Oh, that's easy. Well, from 6 to 8, he goes out and murders people, and then from 9 to 12, he murders me in bed.
What's his favorite genre of music?
I think it's iron, but I think it's metal, but or maybe copper.
How is he as a partner?
Oh, he is super romantic. I would never expect a person to be romantic. You know, he holds my hand in public, he kisses me, and like he's just like the perfect guy because he could just put me in the corner and just always know what to say.
What's his favorite food?
His favorite food is like human flesh, but I try to like cook up a liver every once in a while, but like other than that, yeah, it's pretty simple.
What's his favorite movie?
Duh, he's in it. It's Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Fucking stupid.
How's your sex life?
Oh, it is very killer. Like, he always breaks 1 or 2 of my ribs. It's very nice.
Honey, my wig! Honey, my wig!
That was amazing. So like, when we like settle down and stuff like that, like, are we gonna have like 6 kids or something, you know?
And finally, what does his face look like?
Oh, I'll just show you guys. It's so simple.
Where do you see yourself with him in 5 years?
Oh, I hate that question, but I see us settling down within like 5 kids, and I think this is hanging off of the... I have to retake that. Bro, I think it was hanging off from the video before.
Oh, oh, oh!
Oh, my wig!
Oh shit.
This is Rambo.
Ready? This shit can't stay. Alright.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
The fucking wig didn't want to fall. Go.
Yogurt, no. Salad, hell no. Eggs, what do I look like? Chicken,